Today's video is regarding Canon PIXMA TR4540 all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to do the wireless setting of this printer so that we can do wireless printing and scanning. Now first step is to switch on the printer and go on the display panel. Now on the display panel we have to press the setting button, as you can see this button, and it will enter the setup menu. Now go to the device setting, click OK, and here we look for the LAN setting and click OK, and here we look for Wi-Fi direct, that is the wireless direct, click OK, switch wireless direct, click OK, enable wireless direct, make sure it's on yes. Now we need to know the information about this wireless direct, so wireless router info, so click on this button, and here it is the network name, so name will be Canon TR4500 series. We want to know the password, so scroll ahead, security protocol, and click OK, and it will ask, do you want to display the security password? So yes, click OK. Here is the password, so you just have to write down this. So go to your Android device and open the Wi-Fi setting. In the Wi-Fi, look for the printer's name, so just wait for the Wi-Fi to appear here. Here we see direct, that is TR4500 series. It will ask the password. Now enter the password as it is displayed on the screen. So once we enter the password, you will see it is connected, it displays here. Now we go back and open the Canon Print app. You can download this app from the App Store. It will ask, do you want to search for available printers? Click no, because we are looking for a Wi-Fi direct printer, not the online printers. And click here just to add the printer. And on the next page you will see Canon TR4500 series printer. Click on that. So it will automatically connect now. So here we can see it says the printer is connected. We can do the wireless printing and scanning. So I'll show you that. Just click on cancel, as we are going to use it for different purpose. Here we will see the TR450 series printer. Now we can do the multiple scannings with this printer. Here is a top feeder tray, so we open that. So here I have the pages which I'm going to scan as a multiple scannings. So just you have to place it like this. So the top end go here and the bottom should be like this. All should be facing upwards. Now go to the scan option here and hit the scan button and wait for the printer to do the scanning. Once the all pages are scanned, they will be saved in a folder, and you just have to click OK and it will display the scanned pages here. Now if you want, you can also send it as a PDF, or if you want, you can send it in an email. So all the details you can do by just sharing it, and you can save it to the drive. So whatever you want, you can do it. Now that file is saved in this app. We need to access that file. You can go to the document, print document section, and scroll down, and the top file will be the latest file which is scanned. So here we can see. Now if you want, you can reprint it, or if you can share it again, which I have just scanned, and just click on next, all pages, and confirm the page type and click on the print button, and it will send a command for the printing. So that's the way we can use this printer for wireless printing and scanning. Thanks for watching.